modernized today.
Yeah.
And, 2025 we have also another Kone here built in 2000 at the Porvoo hospital. And December 70611. Best is 21 persons, so that's 6 grams. Probably from the beginning of 2000. And then the 1998 one might be from late 1998.
Yeah.
But I guess it's likely to be.
Yeah.
It also has the other Kone logo, so it is probably early 2000s.
Yeah.
I like the sound system out here.
Same here.
Is that a chicken casket? And forcing motivation finish here as it should be.
Yeah.
And last those, that's for loading.
Yeah.
The lock for it. You can keep it on a long channel.
Yeah. Inspekteert ett par kivänsktään, meitä ett par Kone. No, wait.
Sorry.
That's
It's my downstairs. But it doesn't change.
yeah, strange.